Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool looking 3D button. Really, really easy to draw. Taking a ellipse, doesn't matter what size. I'm going to try this orange this time. I'm going to take away the outline. And I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across it. And I'm going to put black in this corner. To make it darker, that's too much. So I just want about that much. Now here's the easy part. Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the shift key so it'll grow inside. Now it doesn't look like anything till you mirror it and look at that. It looks like the shadow of light coming across that button. Let's see what it looks like with a black box. It's not going to change too much. See which one of them looks better. Pretty cool. I like the orange one better in this case just because I might have put too much black on that one. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.